Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can fix the JBL earbuds if they are not connecting and what you can actually do about it. So what I encourage you to do, first thing is we have to unpair them from our phone. So first, take your phone, and I will show you what to do. Go to top right settings if you have Android. Then you want to go to connections. Then you want to press Bluetooth, turn it on. And if you of course like paired them before, Bluetooth, and now you're gonna have, let's say I have the earbuds right here. What I would do, I would scroll down below and there you're gonna find unpair. So you're gonna press unpair, okay, and this is the first thing. So disable the Bluetooth. Now the next thing that you want to do is that you want to find your earbud right here. If you can, like, find your earbud what you have right now. And what we're going to do, we are going to do a factory reset. So we're going to double tap the button on the right earbud. Then on the third tap, press and hold the button for more than 5 seconds. So let's do this. And the TVS must be connected to perform the reset. So neither of the earbuds should be off or in a charging case. So I'm going to take both out right now. And let me show you how to do it. So I'm going to take both out. The left one I will just put here. And the right one, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 and hold. See, and it turned off. So right now the factory reset was effective and done. I'm going to put them back in, let them click. So it's going to like finish resetting. Then you want to take them out and try to pair again. Maybe it's going to work. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.